With faith, discipline and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. Unity, faith, and discipline, these are the three golden principles for attaining success. Failure is a word unknown to me. I have full faith in my people that they will rise to every occasion worthy of our past Islamic history, glory, and traditions. No struggle can ever succeed without women participating side by side with men. Expect the best, prepare for the worst. Pakistan not only means freedom and independence but the Muslim ideology, which has to be preserved, which has come to us as a precious gift and treasure and which, we hope others will share with us. The establishment of an independent Islamic state is the only cure for India's constitutional ills. We are now all Pakistanis and no longer Muslims or Hindus or Sikhs, and as Pakistanis, we must behave and act, and we should be proud to be known as Pakistanis.